Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave your comments. So let's get straight into the video. And of course, I'm back with another amazing recipe. So this is a special Ramadan recipe. We have our ingredients here. We have cassava, sweet potatoes, onions, carrots, capsicum, smashed garlic and ginger, coconut milk and salt. So let's get straight into the cooking. So start by adding cooking oil into a sufuria. Then you can add your onions and capsicum and cover them for about 3 minutes. Then you can add your smashed garlic and ginger. After that, cover it and let it turn golden brown. Then you can add your sweet potatoes and cassava. After adding your sweet potatoes and cassava, stir for a while. Then you can now add salt your favorable amount. Then you can now again stir for a while. Then you can now add your carrots. After adding carrots, you can now add your coconut milk. Then keep stirring sideways till it starts boiling. So leave it for about 5 minutes in the jiko, then you can now remove it. So we have our final results here, our sweet potato and cassava food. So hope you really enjoyed my video. If you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So till next time, bye.